Hi, welcome to my channel Maison.network. Thank you for watching. First of all, so I'm gonna do unboxing for this EDX KZ in EDX Kz-Edx IEM earphone. So this is very cheap. Only I got it for 21 ringgit 90 cents, and I saw it's like more than 2,000 people buy it, so I bought it lah. So here it is, the front box EDX on the side. Behind, on website says until 40,000, but it's actually until 20,000, so I feel cheated a bit. Okay, on the side I bought with mic, transparent gray. Okay, and then the accessories. It's white color also. Here's the gray transparent, as it told here, transparent gray. So this is it. If not, it's yellowish or pinkish color, a bit like this. Transparent gray is this color, but the one that I chose is the one with this silver rope. It's not the pinkish rope. So I choose the 0.75 pin to match my TRN Bluetooth pin. So this yellow, gold color. I bought two EAM previously, the KZ and also TRN. I would say KZ built more better quality than TRN. TRN is more cheaper, but sound wise is KZ more better. Okay, so that's all. No more. Okay, that's all for me. The Kz-Edx unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you like, the URL to shop will be below the video. Yeah. Thank you.